Welcome. In this video, we'll take a quick tour of MagTitan just to give you the lay of the land. We won't go into the real specifics as we'll have other videos for that, but this should give you a feel for where things are and how to navigate MagTitan. And we're starting here right on the dashboard page, and this is really a helpful area for a lot of information at your fingertips. You'll see in the beginning there's the steps for launching your magazine. I would recommend reading the platform overview, and we'll have lots of videos that'll keep changing here. When you begin, go through the quick start videos. It'll give you the details on setting up your first magazine, your first issue, things like that, and then constantly we'll update the new feature videos that will be found here. Now, on the left-hand side, these are the major sections of MagTitan. Magazine Center is where, when you design your magazine, you're going to spend all of your time in here, as this is where the builder is. The Advertising Center is where you set up your advertising network, you set your rates for your publication, and you do everything related to selling advertising, and that's done there. Design Services is actually the place where, if you are having the MagTitan team do your design, this is where you will upload your files for us and manage the process of us designing the issue for you. My account is your account settings. Support Center is very helpful as far as when you have support tickets or you want to access the knowledge base, you go right to the Support Center. So let's go in for this video into the Magazine Center, because that's really the nuts and bolts of designing your issue. Now, the first thing in the Magazine Center you'll see is this is where all of your different magazines will be set up. Now, I'm going to just slide over here to the right, and you'll see that there are some functionalities here, from the issue library to where you access and can download your subscribers to the settings for your mag. Let's go for now into the issue library for Home Service Max. Okay, so now we're in the issue library area for Home Service Max. And if I scroll up and down, you'll see you have your current issue here, and you also have all of your archive issues. If we look at the current issue, we could go into settings, we can go directly to the issue, or the assembly. So let's go into the assembly, because I want to show how you put together a magazine and how it's all set up. So here we are in the settings area, and on the left-hand side you have the issue lineup. So all of the articles that are in this particular issue can be seen right here in the issue lineup. If you have issues or articles that haven't yet been inserted, they'll be under available articles over here, and you'll click and you'll drag them to be in the current issue. Here are preview buttons, so if you want to preview the entire story, you can preview the desktop edition of it, and you can preview the mobile edition of it. Now, breadcrumbs are also really helpful at navigating where you are. So you can see that from the home menu, we're now in the magazine area, we're in the magazine named Home Service Max, we're in the issues, and we're at the Home Service Max 6 issue, and it's in red, so that really at a quick glance will help you understand where you are. Now, if we slide over here to the right, what you'll see is the purple Actions button, and the items that are under the Action button change as the pages that you're on in MagTitan change, and it's always a listing of the most common tasks that you may want to do from this current page. So this is always a great place to go to. Now, what you'll also see here on this assembly page, not only we're on the step for the articles, but there are multiple steps. So if I click on the license step, this is where we could apply a license to this particular publication. We have the ads, and this is where you set up the ad pattern for this particular issue. And then you have the share button that once you've published it, it'll give you the URL for the issue, it'll give you the embed code, and that's all under here. And here I want to go into a particular story. So to go into this story, and you can see here, this Don't Make Me Think story has 7 pages on desktop, 14 on mobile, and I'm going to click the pages, and that will open up the particular story. On the left-hand side, as this loads, you'll see that we have 7 desktop tablet pages, and keep in mind that the issues for MagTitan are created two at a time. So you're creating two separate issues, the desktop tablet, and then if we slide over here back to the right, you'll see that we have the mobile pages as well. So you're designing each story twice. Now, let me just go back over here, and
you'll see we have a bunch of pages in here.
And if you want to add a page, you'll just click the Add to Page button. So I'll click a page here, and you'll see that we just added a page at the bottom. Deleting a page is real simple. You just click Delete. Now, if we want to go into a particular page, we click the Builder button, and I'm going to go into the Builder for page 2. And so now we're here in this page, and this is the canvas. You see the elements here, and this is the Builder. And under the Builder page, you'll see here, Add New Elements, and this is where you go to add text, images, video, shapes, hotspots, backgrounds. All these elements get added to the canvas, and that's how the page gets built. You'll also notice here there are a bunch of functionality from previewing it to if you wanted to clear the canvas. My Library, which is where you can access templates, and actually all of your pages for all of your magazines will be here, so you can add elements to any new page using your previously designed pages. The layers allow you to easily move around things and edit things on the page, and of course save and exit. Now, I'll also mention here, and we'll have a separate video on this, is this infinite pages in the left-hand side is where you want to have interactive pages. So if you click an image or text on this page and have it hyperlink on this page to a subpage, that's where you do it. It's not a new page, but it's the infinite pages feature. So this is the basic builder. Let's get out of here. And if we move over here to the mobile edition, I just want to have you take a quick look over here. You'll see that this has 14 pages. Desktop edition had 7 pages, so we have all the pages that are here for this, and you can access them just the same. Go into the builder, and you can play around and make any edits that you want. So that's a quick overview of MagTitan, and whenever you have questions, do come back to the dashboard page, and you'll see a lot of the information here will make it very easy for you, and certainly the Support Center will give you a lot of tools, videos, and things like that that'll help you navigate. Once you get the lay of the land, it's all pretty intuitive and pretty easy. So thanks for taking the tour.